Gotta look at the calendar because that is our roadmap, all right? So Monday, there's no high impact news. Moreover, Tuesday is a CPI, core inflation rate. So you are not supposed to trade on Monday, not supposed to trade on Tuesday, even after CPI release. Why? Because on Wednesday there is PPI. So I would only trade after Wednesday PPI release at 8:30. Okay. Yes, Fed chair interest decision. I would be in the market around that time. FOMC, I'll be in the market around that time. Fed press conference, I'll be in the market around that time. Okay, 2:30, I'll then be out of the market already by then. So we can only trade two on Wednesday after PPI release. So Thursday tradable, Friday tradable. Yep. Hello guys. This is your boy FM Trades FX. Okay, so this is what we have here on the XY. Let's trade. Let's analyze real quick and then we'll be done out of here. So this is a fair value gap. This is a fair value gap. This is a fair value gap right here. Okay, price has wicked into it, but then closed below. Price has wicked into it, but didn't close even within it. Okay, but this fair value gap price has actually closed above it. So what is it telling me? Currently, I see price in between this fair value gap CB and this fair value gap BC. Okay, and we're here price has closed above it. So let's see what we have there on the daily. On the weekly, I don't have a narrative. Truthfully speaking, I don't have a narrative. Yeah, you might think this particular weekly fair value gap price has closed above it, so obviously we are going up. No. I don't have a bias. I don't have a bias on. I don't have a narrative on the XY. Okay, but gun to my head, gun to my head, gun to my head. I say I'm bullish. Yep, I'm bullish on DXY. Gun to my head, I'm bullish on DXY. So um, this is what we have right here on the daily. Okay, from this low to this high, where is the fair value gap? Where is the an inefficiency there? Where is the liquidity there? This is a CB. This is a basic right here. Price has just pierced into it. So I believe price it has a gun to my head if I'm bullish. Gun to my head, I'm bullish. Price will do this, do that, and then rally into this fair value gap, to completely close it or something like that. Okay. Or if I'm bearish, this is what I want to see. Price closing below this fair value gap. Okay. And then bouncing back upwards and then you know going way down. So I'm bullish on the extra gun to my head. Gun to my head. But without a gun, man, I don't have a narrative. So I'm gonna be very nimble this week. Yep. Let's go on to Euro USD. So Euro USD price has closed. This is a weekly. This is a weekly. To put your mind at ease, this is a weekly. This is a fair value gap price has week through. Yes. Price has only week through. It ain't closed outside of it. Okay. So since DXY didn't show me any reasonable thing. So I don't know what Euro USD is going to be, either bullish or bearish narrative, okay? But if it's a bullish narrative, I'm looking at the rejection block, the midpoint, and the high as the drawn liquidity, okay? And if I'm bearish, I'm looking at this swing low, this swing low. This one is higher, this one is higher, so this is a swing low. So the rejection block, the principal encroachment, and the low. That's what I'm looking at this week. If or for either one that plays out, hey, I'm good to go. Let's just do this and then get our hands off it. All right. So on the daily, we have a fair value gap up here. That is a civic, and a fair value gap up here. That is a down here. That is a basic. Okay. So price is within that fair value gap. So if price should go downwards and then get into it, damn, I'm bearish. And this way, it closes below it, retest it, and then comes down. I'm bearish. But if it does this, goes up, right? It goes up into this fair value gap or closes above it, then I'm going up onto there. All right, yeah. So that's what I'm looking at, and then going on to GBP USD. What does GBP USD have for us now? It ain't been close below the consequent encroachment of this fair value gap. What does that tell me? That it still wants to be bullish. Nope, the DXY didn't tell me that. So I'm not going to trust this, okay? I'm not going to trust this. But then there's a fair value gap below here also. So um as there was a gun to my head on DXY being bullish, gun to my head GBP USD, I'm going to be bearish. And gun to my head Euro USD, I'm going to be bearish. Exactly. I'm going to be bearish. So daily time frame. Oh, you're going to see something wonderful here on a daily time frame. Okay, you can see that this is a fair value gap on a weekly, but it is not so on the daily. Okay, and this fair value gap has already been balanced. Okay, but then it has to serve as support or resistance. So let's say price will just work into it and then drop into this fair value gap, taking this outside liquidity. That's the drawn liquidity, or probably go up, retest, and then get up there. Okay, so that is a gun to my head. I'm bearish on GBP USD, bearish on Euro USD, and bearish on D, and bullish on DXY. I'm sorry about that. The hourly time frames don't have anything interesting in them. I'm just waiting to see what comes up, and then I know what to do. Right? Thanks for listening or watching. Bye. Bye. Bye.